Hello everyone and welcome back to our Chinese learning series. Get ready to level up your Mandarin skills because today we're tackling 7 more super useful characters. These are words you'll hear and use every single day. Let's jump right in. First up, we have number 44, Jia, pronounced Jia. Listen carefully, Jia. It sounds like the J in jar. This is a wonderful word. It means home or family. It's one of the first characters many people learn because home is so important. A simple and heartwarming sentence is wo ai wo de jia, wo ai wo de jia. This means I love my home or I love my family. See how versatile it is? Remember jia, home. Next, at number 45, is jiao, pronounced jiao. It rhymes with how or cow. Listen, jiao. This character means to be called or to call. It's essential for introducing yourself. For example, if your name is Li Hua, you'd say Wo Jiao Li Hua, Wo Jiao Li Hua, which translates to my name is Li Hua, or more literally, I am called Li Hua. So next time you meet someone, you can confidently say Wo Jiao, followed by your name. Easy, right? Moving on to number 46, we have Jintian, Zhentian. Let's break it down. Jintian. It sounds like Jintian. This means today. It's a fundamental word for talking about time. You can say Jintian shi xingqi tian, Jintian shi yizhengqiu tian, which means today is Sunday. You can swap Sunday for any day of the week. So what day is it for you today? Try to say it in Chinese. Now for a number. Number 47 is Zhu, Zhu. It sounds a bit like the name Joe, but with a slight upward tone. Listen again, Zhu. This means 9. In Chinese culture, the number 9 is associated with longevity and eternity. A simple sentence is 我有9个苹果, 我有9个苹果, meaning I have 9 apples. Practice counting up to Zhu. Our next character, number 48, is Kai, pronounced Kai. It's a short, sharp sound, like the word Kai or sky without the S. Kai is a powerful verb meaning to open, to start, or in this context, to drive. For example, 我会开车, 我会开车 means I can drive a car. You can also use it for opening a door, 开门, or turning on the lights, 开灯, a very useful word to know. At number 49, we have kan. This sounds like the con in conscious. Kan. It's a verb that means to look, to watch, or to read. You use it all the time. For instance, 我看电视means I watch TV. You can also 看书, read a book, or 看电影, watch a movie. So, what do you like to 看? Finally, number 50 is a combination of the last one. It's 看见, 看见. This specifically means to see or to have seen something. It implies the result of looking. So while 看 is the action of looking, 看见 is the result of successfully seeing. A great example is 我看见老师了, 我看见老师了. This means I saw the teacher. The li at the end indicates the action is complete. So you looked and you saw him. 看见. And that's a wrap for today. We've learned Jia for home, Jia for being called, Jintian for today, Zhu for 9, Kai for driving or opening, and the difference between kan, to look, and kanjian, to see. That's a huge step forward. Practice these words and try making your own sentences. You're doing an amazing job. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more lessons. Keep practicing and I'll see you in the next video. 再见.